Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be walking you through how to contact Instagram support. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Here the first thing that I want you to do is open your Instagram, go to your profile, and then select the three horizontal line icon present on the top right of your screen. After that, scroll down and tap on help, then select report a problem. Here, tap on report a problem without shaking. Here, select include and continue. After this, you can there now explain your problem, but what I want you to do here is be as specific as you can with the issue that you have. Write it down in a format like this. You can even upload the screenshot or the photo of the problem that you have in your Instagram and then send it. Now the Instagram will soon fix your issues. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.